So I literally just did a video like 2 minutes ago about talking about scaleless fish and maybe some medication tips. And I want to go a little further into that. I want to explain something that I just didn't have time with, and I knew this was going to be a complicated topic. So why are they a little bit different? I think that's important as well. So catfish, I have a catfish on screen, and that is why we were talking about scaleless fish, right? Well, not are all catfish scaleless, and like what does that mean anyway? So some catfish, like the one on screen, and larger catfish, they have a thick slime coating, and that's why some medications might affect them a little different. Loaches as well, hagfish, things like this, eels is what I want to talk about. And then other catfish, right? So you're like, oh, well, all catfish are scaleless, right? No. What about plecos? Well, they have scales, but not in the traditional sense. They're more, I think they're called dermal plates, and that's why they're called the armored catfish. They're so thick. And then some fish have evolved just to have very thick skin. And then, actually, I'm a perfect example. Let's link in this. I believe sturgeons actually do have thick skin, but they also then developed like actual bone plates on their body. And there's very few fish that have bone plates, but they're one of them. Sharks. Let's go into that. They don't have scales. They're smooth. They do, but they're like teeth-shaped objects. I think they're called tarpons or dermal denticles. Yeah, I think they're dermal denticles, and they're that's another form of scale. So these fish have evolved axolotls as well. I'm not even gonna have enough time, guys. This is why I'm telling you, it's a world